ade achi ebia ade achi so de na adwuma na ewo se yede ekoso na yede somwo ewo Attention TV so ensem a etwaguo eno nti na munua ba ma meda ko a maji adwa na matena ase ma bepie wo mafie mu se beye ne ebedwendwen Ghana ho ne ehu ne ekoso ewo oman Ghana mu de bia meka ese fata samede brew na wonso so ese wo fata se wo betie na wo bewie no be like wo be share subscribe na ma wonu bi nso nsanka adamfo bi nsanka na ebusua bi nso nsanka se beye ne nyina ye behu de ekoso ewo oman Ghana mu na ma ya da ye ho so ne ehu se de ye tutu anamon ne nyina ya boa epia Ghana e de esi baabi pa Jibril na tweme me twa me ho age aboafo nkrato na me ba ene ensem bebre na wo ho a ekoso a me no mienu ye be sane ne ya pensem mu me ba sia Onia me da se ojebre etwen me e ma me koda me ho ba kakra na dia me ne wo kanyina no ene se oman Ghana se se die amene yen ni titiru ene mebu na ewo oman Ghana mu ensem bebre ena etwaguo de fa ya akwan ho efa school enwuma ne de kekeka ho na ni nyina mu no emre etwa mu a omampani Nana Akufo-Addo ebetena abenwa kese so no okan se sa afe no eye year of roads na year of roads no wo hwe ya kwan a edededede mu a uhu se besi nne no akwan bebre wo ho a atoto ape akwan bebre wo ho a eso nye na ye no to nchen a ye hwe ya pomudensem se dia esiko ene enwuma nso a ensanso ni oman Ghana mu a enne emebu no bebre wie school a omo certificate ehihye mpaase na no ena mebu no e wo Ghana adwen ho a ene wo se enyama ekobone ade nti na moma yen sorry ebia na ye papa Nana Akufo-Addo ohun dia ekoso ebetimi aba ne se osiesie niama enso emeduru fom ye na emeduru fom a yen so ye hu ye ide ene na wo se emabunu no yen so ye sorry na ye kasa ne no ene nam so ama ene ye tete fix the country agenda fix the country fix the country ye nuanum celebrities bebre ababe kasa a Ghana fo bi nso akasa a agent ha e wo social media so enye asem kuma akra na se wo hwe ensem a wo mo kanyina e yade a ehia se ebeboa eno ene bema Ghana aye Ghana eno ene bema eye emebu na ewo Ghana etimi egina brane egina won nan so abo adwuma se beye na won so betimi abeso Ghana mu e de esi baabi pa na eno ena wode akodan omampani ese obehwe no asiesie Ghana na ne nyina mu no ebinum so aba abonten a omansem omo kan se Ghana fo no mo kasa and then am kasa sa fix the country omampani fix the country ben mumuni kan en fix mo ho na se mo fix mo ho a omampani so be fix Ghana na de ye bisa ne se eye bone se bibi be koso a enye na obi be kan na ansana wumpo obeba abonten abeka se dabi nipa ni hu kwan se obeka sa no na nsunsuaso ben na wo wadwen ho se betimi di aba abra wonso wonim se enema bi wo honom a enkoyie na ye hwe esenia nsam esi koso e wo social media so a eye yenua ben ma baako a ye frɛ ne Joshua Boydo ono na odi animu a ama ene fix the country or shisheye oye initiator ewo fix the country ensem nyina eho na eno na ababe todwa ese abayuwe bi nso oye presenter ni din abepiem se ono na sa fix the country nyina egina ne naso enam so ema eye lawyer Oliver Becker Vomawo enso so abeto abonten ode abetodwa ese debi entisa lawyer yi ono na odi anim ama agenda fix the country nsem no etimi akodu omampani ene na pamfo anim se wobetimi etu ho anamo ne no na o kire mu se eye saa awura ya ye bonidin no a eye onuaba Dela Oklu onim saa agenda fix the country hu hwe nemom se oye ensentweni no dia woye ene se wokohu no ese ekwan ben ene wo betimi afa so e wo mu se won ani abre e wo mu se wo pese wo tete su kokko de enso eno nkire se won fa mra enhye won nsem no wonye de wo pe enu nti wo be fa kwan pa so eno na enam so a wo ko hu eye ewra dala na obekire o mkwan obefa so a woni media ebedinsa woso na won nsem a wo pese edu eye omampani anim no etimi akwa akodu entinima omanfo enhwe ne se o enne na chese so ono na wo kire o mkwan a obefa so se ne obedanda wo ho efa social media ene media for entem no so de ene na ono na odi anim no enye nokre na krata e ba abonten no enye krata eye genuine edimu a ekire se ewra no na ensem nyina esi ne nanso na ne nyina nkomra no aba bepie e wo ye papa eye Captain Smart ne nanso Captain Smart nanso ne dwumadie a odi e wo angel a wato ne din anopabofo so na all kan nsem bi enam so ama edin sunsun so bebre aba ye nyina yate se sisi ayaya ama no suspension na suspension no enyina so ben anasa adwene ben na etechensi ama suspension e baaye ni nyina ene se eye ye papa Captain Smart ne nsama all kan nyina ene se okopie eye Good Evening Ghana so Metro TV na enkomotwetwie mu no ena odi tudwa ese eye ni Chief Executive Officer a yeta abone mrane se Bronzy efre ne eka che ne se course bi ba pressure bi ba a pressure ebe nyina efi omo papa edwumewura Dr. Kwaku Oten aso eye na eba ni nyina ne se ensem bi akokoso a ede ohaw ne amane na eba enu nti ebe ya Captain Smart enfre edwumewura eye Dr. Kwaku Oten na onini ni nkomo na ne wo bia no omonka na enam so ema Captain Smart so bo ni Chief Executive Officer eye Bronzy amane ese onu na nkasa no eye ebunada nadwo a de ebechi ama wuku adama na beye ni dwumadie eye ne morning show a eye anopabofo no onya information bi onya atisem bi na ekire se nipakuo bi enkrofo bi ahyiamu e wo Laboni cafe shop na enhyiamu ni mu no ensem a ekoso nyina no akoye se saa akoye a wose pressure bi a ebe na jeze ni nsunsanso eno no na enkomo a one eye Good Evening Ghana etwetwen ye no yenko ni yenkohwe na se eba de wo hobia no me de aba besom.
Senior,
good evening.
Good evening.
Na Angel, where are you?
Oh, I'm in judgment.
So what is happening?
Good evening to your wonderful viewers. Before I answer your question, I want to say this. Any day, any time, if there's any nonsense going on in this country, I will rise and talk. I will keep shouting. I'll keep pointing the mistakes. If you're a politician, it is your responsibility to either like me or hate me because you don't fit me. And until we begin to do that, we can never, ever save this country. I am not afraid. I am not worried. I am not perturbed. I am not disturbed. I am a happy man. I am enjoying my family. And the 30 days they say I should stay home. Thank God, man. Charlie, many beji bruta.
Or they say stay home for 30 days?
Yes, 1 month. Now,
but Captain, are you not a member of the management of Angel?
Well, I am the director of operations for ABN.
ABL is what?
ABN is Angel Broadcasting Network.
Okay.
Yes.
How many radio stations in there?
We have more than 20.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yes.
And you are operations manager for all of these radio stations?
Director of operations, yes.
Director of for all of that?
For ABN, yes. I was home yesterday after my birthday bash on the radio and TV. The CEO called me.
Who's the CEO, by the way?
Bronzy.
Okay.
Bronzy
is a nickname. What's his name?
I think Achampo.
Okay, Mr. Achampo.
Yes. Called me that he has something to tell me. And then he started talking. There's so much pressure coming from left, center, right on the founder and president and blah, blah, blah. So he wants me to call the president.
He wants you to call the president?
Yes, the president. I mean, our founder and president.
Oh, your
Dr.
founder.
Kwaku
Okay, okay. Angel Dr. Kwesi Oten.
Kwaku Oten.
Kwaku Oten. Okay, okay.
But I shouldn't let him know that he asked me to call him. I said, what's happening?
This is getting interesting.
Me, no, Maza, so I told him on the phone that the night before yesterday, na many information saying share or coffee shop or a plan with some people already.
Coffee shop here,
oh, Massa.
Laboni coffee shop.
Exactly.
That,
yeah, I mean, Captain Smart is becoming too loud. He's making some people unpopular. He's making this unpopular. He's doing that and that. A whole lot of things. So yesterday on air, I said that, look, if today, Kweku Atin says, Captain, praise God, I will leave. I come on me because I'm not a lazy person. Yes, my brain works, Papa. And I'm afraid, Doc.
Doc is Kweku Atin.
Yes, that's right. It's Crawford friend who are buying the church on the letters from Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA4 Tata no Nina is because Yaseme Kasadodo. I'm saying
GRA4 Tata so on the one sika na.
Well, I don't know. These are the things he said.
That's what he said.
Yes.
All because I say Captain Smart Kasadodo.
Yes. I'm saying I then also ya catch and say me say seven. Nana Adone Dr. Baumiani Alancha Martini IGP. Omo ye Jimmy for. Now me say on air. I say yes, you said it on air. I'm so penny. Met me can be a warrior. But to go to that extent, to say that the president of the land, the vice, the IGP, and Alancha Martin, omo ye Jimmy for there. No. If you can provide me with the evidence, I will apologize to the world and resign from your company.
But your shows are recorded.
I mean, they are on Facebook Live. Compensation, of course, one or can say, and nam sa pressure nintino. Sene ye point juma. Obepe se anka ben tweme ho kakra na ade no mudwa pressure na ye dem man no ba forma. I'm so okay. If that is what is going to help you. Because I'm just one individual. Or you have this whole lot of companies. If Captain Smart alone would bring your company down, why not? I'll do that for you. It's Elemi Kwejuma started the show. After the intro, then he called, said, Pressure Samba Bium.
Say now started.
Mr. T show, no?
You call it
Anopa
Bofo, yes.
It's no, I'm so okay. And
at about what time in Ofrel? Because 5:30 they are much.
No, me started 5:30. I think 7 minutes after 6 in the morning. And Ofrel. I'm so okay, senior. Let's know.
Why in Ofrel?
Dr. Kokoti.
Onwankasa. Seseng.
Say, in common, you're born and run any idea, no, or can say, can main train, and then I'm saying, no, you said, let me work today. No, since I'm communication, when you call crashes here, it's okay, senior. Let me drop this.
Oh, so you had to stop the show?
Yes, so I did.
But you have news at 6.
Yes.
So this is after the news?
That's before the news ended.
Before the news? Oh, so the news was going on when he spoke to you?
And then I said, okay.
So did you go back after the news to
No, I did not. So the other team members had to continue, and then that's it. So he told me he sent the general manager of 1029, that's Kojo Dixon, to bring me a letter. Yesterday around 10:49 thereabout, I saw my brother calling. He said he has something for me. I said, what do you have for me? He said, I've been asked to bring you a letter. I said, letter at this time? I will not be allowed to step out. If it is about me stepping out for some time, I just spoke to doctor. So there's no need for that letter. I saw him, took a shot of it, sent it to me on WhatsApp, and that's it.
What is in the letter?
Well, the letter says that I've been too hard on Nanado, the vice president.
In the letter?
In the letter. I mean, they said I've been using some harsh words on the president and the vice president and then the IGP, and that he's called me on several occasions to stop those things, and I'm not stopping and all that. And for that matter, I should proceed on suspension for 1 month, and then after 1 month, I resume. So they gave a date that's today, and then next month, 4th
June.
4th June.
You're supposed to resume on the 4th of June.
That's what the letter says.
So technically, it's a suspension.
That's what the letter says.
For assets where using unprintable words against high-profile
according to the
officials.
letter.
Okay, but what has been the focus of your morning show by the last?
You see, I have decided. You did Faber also this evening.
Yes, yes.
You just did Faber also.
Yes. That's what you call Faber also.
Yes.
We call it the editorial.
Yes. Faber also is facing the reality all other broadcasters are afraid to talk about.
No holds barred.
No. You pick the issue, you research, you call people with brains to feed you with the needed information so you can also give it out. Sometimes.
And it's called Faber also.
Faber also.
And it's every day?
It's Mondays and Wednesdays.
What time?
From 8:30.
Oh, okay. So Monday, 8:30, Faber also. So the traffic is coming there?
Yes.
The whole Facebook traffic is coming there?
It's always there. Mondays and Wednesdays. Then I have the Anopeja. The show is Anopabofo. Then we have the Morning Fire, the Anopeja. Right after the news, you throw some small fire.
Against who? The fire?
No, I mean, issues happening.
Sikakum, Yajinikwanum, Yenina Yate, Yenya Bema, ya papa, ya Yenina, Captain Smart in the Numunsem. Na and some are or the 2 Jana Enono, and no and watch Rebimu say, or no dear, so or way, say and ne, ya papa could quarting, Eka say, oh, Captain, and then there come young as if from Cacro, and as was in saying Rimu Hacha, or Nifshe, Eka, if you say, Dr. Quating, Wabobra, Ninuma Waye. Any companies are hodra or one. Ain't me banner say or no Captain Smart in the pabako painty. Na ni nyuma bi ebe hwere no ana say ni nyama wo nyina ebe feeling sa. Ain't no say ya papa Dr. Kwekwotin e ka say oh Captain sifon be bosome baako na pressure ewo mu nyina no ekofo mu wi a wasanso aba. Ono Captain Smart oni hwe ka nemum na asem titiriwa o kan ye wo ho a wo hu say Odi odoni akoma bi na eye adwuma nti sa akone sa on sign na chi dan ene say onye kwadwefo na nadwen mu so do anadwen boma na papa enti ene so ofi ekoba ne say nyeze bia suspension keke ene ede ama ne say bia o home emre kakra na se ekoba ne say onfiri hokra na enya de a ebetimi aha no kwan bia so efiso onye kwadwefo oda ne hu sisi a obetimi enya adwuma bia yeden aye ena nadwen so bo de wona adwin mu de wona akomam se de oye na adwuma fa ne modern mo no entimi ntosin wo kwan bia so ne no ena enami bisa se Ghana oman Ghana ye jikabi maminke bia motum na afia ba ne sen a ene so obi kasa na ya asem obi koka bibia na ya asem a enu ntini kabi maminke bi no ye twam ana nemum me kai wa mo wani aba ho so se Oman Ghana, aban no, aban ni nye nipa baako. Aban eye menu mienu, aban eye Ghana fo. Enu nti, me ye nhwe se bibi aba. Bone ato obi ko kan ye no, akowie ni bone. Aye nimu se asema nipa ne kan ye no, eye asem no kre. Enye se bia no kre nim, se no kre wo mu nko ade a, de bia no masema me kan se no kre, eye baako pe. Enu nti ebeboa se wo ye oman bapa na me so me ye oman bapa no ye nyina ye de ose be ye oyo ye nyina ye bebo ye ho modern ni a kire se ampa Ghana be ye ye a na efiye mienu entena se nhwe se bibi kobone se ebia wahu se wonu bi de bibi gugatem enre gugatem ana se ekwan bi obi fa so ye nadwuma bi enkoyie ebekọ etia oman Ghana osi o se mfa me ho aban wo ho hwan ene aban no aban no ene minu mienu eno na ye papa Captain Smart edi hu dwuma na emani mmo hu emani mu abem ese abribia no kreda ho a wo beka efise wutwa wani hwe benkum ni fa enema bebre na etwa ye ho ahia ebi ti se ya akwan yi ebi ti se ye school ye nsuo ho nsem ye light ho nsem eye enema bebre ena ekoso o man Ghana mu na ye bisa se empanifo wo he Ghana empanifo e wo he fa se omampani amakwanya se obi enkonkoye adwuma minister we enkoye adwuma minister we enkoye adwuma so adwuma ye de ahye ne nsa no eso aba na eba ma ye hu ana dwumedi a wasa oye no oye ana eno ne ade titiru anke beboa oman Ghana esa abre ne abre nyina ye behwe efise ye nhwe se opani wo betena ase na sa akola be ye bone na sa wonka na eni papa mu ana dabi opani beka dia ene na sabio sebe so opani nso ye bone a ye wo ho kwan sa akola nso ye den eka eya adwenkyere kebi ma minka bi Ghana ye ntwa mu enti ebeye se bibi kobone na se enkoyi a ye nyina ye betimi aka na ye de atu ye efise ne yie ena ye nyina ye pe enu nti enjai wo ho emfa mawunua se ode wo fa kwan bone so kra na obeka wano ayeden atum oman Ghana ejinsem a wotimu bi enti sa wo ka wano tum na se ekobone a ebekwa etia wankasa wo ka wano tum na se anye yi a ekire kogina baabi no waka ena Ghana sei ena Ghana yesi minwa wo so wadwenkyere a obetimi di aba na se wamfa mma ni nyina be wie ekire no na abesua minu mienu so enti abreni abre nyina se wo ye Ghana maba wo ye Ghana papa no e wo se wuhu se bibi nkoyie wo man Ghana mu a wo beka ama yie ato yie senia ye nuanom celebrities enam social media a omo ye demonstration omo pese omo ye enkenya bone kwan so enso Ghana ni bi nso te ho asama a oka ne se denti no mo beye we ehu hia titiri obi beka se ye kakra na mpenifo no omu mfi dwen ho hwe sabre ni abre nyina wo banko pade wo ho obisa obaako no wanya ama na otimi to wadwen ebedu bribi obebisa wato aso na obehu se ye ohaw bi no ohaw no dia wo ya ne se de ohia no de bema no enu nti se ye mpenifo obehu se oman Ghana ye bre se ye mpenifo obehu se nyema bi koso oman Ghana mu a emwa no na ejina menu mienu so e wo se wutimi ka wadwen na se obeka wadwen so de a ene na bomodin a se wa subscribe no wa like na wa share no comment section wo hono fo wadwen kire bra enye obaakofo asem ye nyina na ebesom wonsom onye nipa enu nti ma comment ni flow ma comment ne mra na yesu ye bekenkan na ye ka empenifo so bete na ejidi se wo besom no waye de beboa oman Ghana ama Ghana etimi aye bia ye pa Ghana etimi aye asumdwe bia minu mienu betimi atena ni enya ye ho ne asum adwen e wo ahotoso mu munua ba ma me da ko a ena me de nsemi nyina ebesom mu na kosoa na hwe Attention TV efise so authentic news dia ene na ye baby ba ko pe enhwe baby a se Attention TV we inspire you more enti abreni nyina jabesom mu osompa se beye na Ghana ebekọ nanim yedamase